In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to your Weebly website. Whether you're adding a downloadable PDF, a spreadsheet, or any other file format, this tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring that your site visitors can easily access and download the files you choose to share. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Weebly account and navigate to the Weebly site editor. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top bar where you'll see the Build option. Click on it, and you'll notice a list of various elements appearing on the left panel. This is where you can access all the building blocks needed to create and customize your website. Weebly's drag and drop feature makes it incredibly simple to add new elements to your site. What you're looking for in this list is the File element. This is the key tool you'll use to allow file downloads on your PC. Once you've located it, simply click on the File element and drag it over to the area on your web page where you want your visitors to see the downloadable file. It can be placed anywhere you choose, based on your site's layout design or user experience goals. Just like that, you've added a new feature to your website with ease. Now, after you've placed the File element on your page, you'll need to upload the actual file you wish to share. Click on the File element that you just added. A configuration menu will pop up with an option clearly labeled Upload File. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Choose the file you want to upload and confirm your selection. Once the file is uploaded, it integrates seamlessly into your site. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to publish your site to make these changes live. Rest assured, when visitors to your site click on this file link, it will automatically start downloading to their device, making access incredibly straightforward. This functionality is especially useful for sharing resources like ebooks, guides, worksheets, or any important documents directly with your audience. And there you have it. This simple yet effective process allows you to enrich your website by providing valuable downloadable content. With these steps, you can ensure that your Weebly site continues to serve the needs of its users efficiently. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you have new files to share, providing ongoing value to your web visitors. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Weebly experience. See you in the next video.